Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garage floor paint, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from garage floor paint, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage floor paint from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Rocksolid Polycuramine Garage Oil Floor Coating. Transform your garage floor with the Rust-Oleum Rocksolid Polycuramine Garage Oil Floor Coating. This high-performance concrete coating is designed for use in garages, workshops, basements, and more. The unique polycuramine formula is 20x stronger than epoxy, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's perfect for creating a high-gloss, terrazzo-style finish that resists cracking, peeling, hot tire pickup, and chemical spills. This self-leveling coating is easy to apply and walk on in just 8 to 10 hours, with vehicles able to drive on it within 24 hours. Each kit covers up to 500 square feet, making it ideal for large areas. The low odor and low VOC formula makes it safe for indoor use. With its washable surface and sleek finish, Rust-Oleum's Rocksolid Polycuramine offers a showroom-quality look that stands up to tough conditions, providing reliable, long-lasting protection for your floors. Number 2. KILZ Epoxy Acrylic Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. Transform your garage or basement with KILZ Epoxy Acrylic Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. This durable, water-based floor paint is perfect for high-traffic areas such as garage floors, driveways, basements, and porches. It provides a sleek satin finish and is designed to resist cracking, fading, scuffing, and blistering, even under heavy use and hot tires. The formula is resistant to staining and damage from chemicals, oil, and gasoline, making it ideal for tough environments. Whether you're working with new or uncoated concrete, masonry, or previously painted surfaces, this paint delivers long-lasting protection. KILZ offers a smooth, even application and dries to the touch in just 2 hours, with recoating possible in 4 hours. Each gallon covers up to 500 square feet on smooth surfaces, providing excellent value. Trust KILZ for high-quality, durable floor paint that has been trusted for over 40 years to keep your floors looking great and protected. Number 3. Liquid Rubber Concrete Foundation and Basement Sealant. Liquid rubber concrete foundation and basement sealant is the ultimate solution for protecting your foundation and basement from moisture and damage. This versatile, water-based sealant works on a variety of surfaces, including concrete, wood, metal, and ICFs. Its highly flexible formula allows for over 900% elongation, preventing cracks and tearing. With no mixing required, you can easily apply it using a brush, roller, or sprayer, and any leftover material can be stored for later use. This eco-friendly product is free from solvents, VOCs, and harmful odors, making it safe for both humans and pets. Whether you're sealing foundations, shower liners, or planter boxes, liquid rubber provides a durable, long-lasting protective finish. For added security, use liquid rubber seam tape or geotextile for areas with potential movement. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, it's the perfect solution for your sealing needs. Number 4. From INSL-X. SureStep Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint. INSL-X SureStep Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint is the ideal solution for creating durable, skid-resistant surfaces both indoors and outdoors. This fast-drying, easy-to-apply paint is perfect for high-traffic areas such as stairs, walkways, patios, and pool decks. It offers excellent color retention, abrasion resistance, and the ability to resist ponding water, making it perfect for both concrete floors and other surfaces. SureStep provides superior slip resistance, ensuring safety in slippery conditions. Whether for residential or commercial use, it's designed to withstand heavy foot traffic and exposure to the elements. A gallon covers 80 to 120 square feet, providing excellent value with great coverage. After just 24 hours, you can safely walk on it, and after 4 to 5 days, it's ready for continuous use. Available in multiple colors, including light gray, and even as a clear coat finished, this paint ensures both safety and aesthetic appeal for your surfaces. Number 5. FIXALL Skid Grip Anti-Slip Coating. FIXALL Skid Grip Anti-Slip Coating is the perfect solution for adding safety and beauty to your outdoor spaces. This 100% acrylic formulation offers a slip-resistant finish that works great on concrete, asphalt, wood, and stone surfaces. Ideal for walkways, patios, pool decks, ramps, driveways, and sport courts, it provides a textured, durable surface that resists peeling, flaking, and oxidation. Skid Grip is designed to keep your surfaces looking great while preventing erosion over time, ensuring long-lasting protection. The coating is not only highly functional but also cost-efficient, making it a smart choice for enhancing your landscape. Available in a range of colors, including crimson, it also offers UV protection to preserve the finish from sun damage. With superior adhesion, it provides a practical, slip-resistant surface for medium to high-traffic areas, keeping both aesthetics and safety in mind. Perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor surfaces with style and durability. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.